Hello! In this video, we will check out the process on how to integrate WP Simple Pay with Affiliate Press. Go to the Affiliate Press settings page. Now, open the Integrations tab. This is the Affiliate Press Integrations page. Here you can see 24+ default integrations. Enable WP Simple Pay integration, then click the Save button. Now go to the Payment Forms page. This is the Payment Forms page where you can see a list of forms, add a new form, or edit an existing form. This is the Payment Form page where you can make any changes as per your requirements. Set an amount for your payment and select a payment method. Now enable the Affiliate Press Commission, open the Affiliate Press Settings tab, and enable the option. After that, click the Update button and save the changes. Copy this code and make a payment page. I have already created a payment page. Go to the Affiliates page. This is the Affiliate Press affiliate page. You can see all the affiliate users' records, copy any user's affiliate link, and go to the front side using the link. Open the Payment page. This is the Payment page. Go to the bottom side and see the Payment button. Now, click to Donate Now button. This is the Stripe payment page. Enter the details and click the Pay button. See, payment is successfully done. Now go to the Affiliate Press Commission page in the Admin panel. This is the Manage Commissions page, where you can see all commission-related records. See, the first record is via WP Simple Pay.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.